Hello everyone, this is Kacise China. Today, I will be demonstrating the KUFH2000 ultrasonic flow meter and data reading. Display screen. Sensor interface. Interface for signal output, battery charging and communication. SD card slot. How to export data from the handheld flowmeter. First, power on the handheld flowmeter. Take out the SD card. After inserting the SD card into the SD card slot, you will see the red light flashing. Reference manual. The buttons for exporting data are pressed in sequence. MEN U99 MEN U97. Wait for 30 seconds. Then remove the SD card. Insert the SD card into a card reader. Plug the card reader into a computer. Open the removable disk. Open the TXT file. You will be able to view the data from the handheld flowmeter. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.